There are only 25 officially recognized botanical gardens or arboretums in Washington state. And the Kruckeberg is one of them. We think that is a pretty special thing to be. The Kruckeberg is a special place for anyone at any age. An oasis for reflection, a paradise for calmness, a classroom for learning and growth. The garden can be anything to anyone who visits. But when we say anyone, we really want to mean everyone. The foundation must grow to meet the needs of our community. Your support is what keeps the garden open and moves our vision forward. Your help today will make these dreams a reality for everyone. On behalf of all who visit, we thank you for your support.